Good evening everyone. So that's all. Daily board exam review by Engineer Janet Santos. So yung topic natin is differential calculus. So kumuha ko ng problem from the REE board exam August 2019. So the problem is a rectangle with sides parallel to the coordinate axis has one vertex at the origin. One on the positive x-axis and its fourth vertex in the first quadrant on the line with equation 2x plus y equals 100. What is the maximum possible area of the rectangle? So, hindi parang hindi ko maintindihan kung ano yung gustong parating ng problem. So, by the way, this problem is a maxima minima, no? So, sa board exam, marami-rami lumabas nito nung nag-exam ako, yung maxima minima. So, sa maxima minima lang naman is, kung alam natin yung formula, no, alam natin mag-create ng formula, alam natin mag-compose ng mga equations. So, madali natin ma-solve ng problem na to. Okay? So, ganda i-drawing muna natin para mas ma-visualize natin siya. So, meron ka daw x and y axis. So, let's draw. You have an x and y axis. So, sabi niya, no, meron ka daw rectangle na sides parallel to the rectangle sides parallel to the coordinate axis has one vertex at the origin. So may vertex daw isa doon sa origin. So rectangle to, no? So imagine may rectangle ka, so meron daw vertex doon sa origin. The origin one on the positive x-axis, so along x-axis, so positive, no, going to the right. So natin siguro hanggang dito na lang, no? Somewhere nandito. No, isang axis niya. And it's fourth vertex the first quadrant on the line. So yung 2x plus y, plot na lang muna natin. So let's plot the 2x. So para tayo magka-plot ng line, no, plot down natin tong 2x plus y equals 100. So pagka-plot ng ganito equation, gamit lang tayo nung tinatawag natin na intercept para mas madali natin mahanap. Okay? So paano yung intercept form, engineer? So parang ililet mo lang na x is equal to 0, no, lalabas yung value ng y. So ibig sabihin, at x is equal to 0. So, palitan natin to, substitute. No, imagine, no, 0 yung value ng x. So, wala to. So, y is equal to 100. So, y is equal to 100. So, ibig sabihin, 0. So, ito na lang, tansyahin ko na lang muna. Bayan natin dito yung isang 100. Yung plot. Then, yung isa is at y is equal to 0 naman. At y is equal to 0 naman. So, imagine na 0 to. No? So, 2x is equal to 100. Then, divide lang natin by 2. No? So, this will become x. No? Kasi kung 0 to, yung part na to, so, divide mo yung 100 by 2. So, this will be 50. No? So, 50 siya. So, somewhere nandito. No, siguro nandito na lang. Sabihin natin nandito sa point na to. So, then connect natin yung line. Equation ng line. So, this is the equation. Pangit. Okay. Balik ko yung daliri. So, yan. Oops. Hirap. Hindi naman ako mag-state but natamad akong gumamit. So, yan. Ito yung equation natin. So, this equation, no? This is our 2x. So this is our 2x plus y equals 100. No? So let's say meron ka daw meron kang rectangle. So yung rectangle natin is ito. Isang vertex nandito. No? So ito natin parallel yung side. So maximum, no? So yan, isa nandito. So kasi along. Okay, so medyo mali yung assume ko dito. So ko lang ulit. Yeah. So, inahanap yung area ng part na to. No, doon yung area. So, hindi mo tayo pwede mangula. So, we use differential calculus to calculate the maximum area. Okay, so bago natin isolve yan, so maganda alamin muna natin yung mga kailangan. Again, in this problem, we are maximizing the area. So, therefore, yung derivative natin is yung area. Nandun tayo kukuha ng derivative. So, ibig sabihin, no, the area, ang area ng rectangle. So from this distance, no, from this point papunta dito, ito yung x natin. And then yung distance natin from the origin no? Paakyat dito sa pinakataas. So, ito naman yung distance natin is unknown y. So, the area of a rectangle is the area ng rectangle is x times y. So, again, bago ka mag-differential, kasi since na we are maximizing the area, so again, we have a two variable here. So, pagdating sa maximum minima, iniiwasan natin na magkaroon ng dalawang variables. So, as long, araw tayo na paraan na kailangan isang variable lang para masagot natin. So, from this point, pwede tayong kumuha dun sa equation. So, again, meron kang given equation. So, pwede nating i-relate yung value ng x or ng y. Since, yung y kasi natin wala naman ng sa katabi na numerical coefficient na 2, no, or something. So, ito yung gamitin natin na substitution. No? So, kung natin substitution from 2x. Okay, so from 2x plus y, dito tayo kukuha ng substitution. So, this will become y is equal to 100 minus 2x. So, substitute na natin dun sa formula ng area. So, area is equal to x. Since y is equal to 100 minus 2x. No? So, once na we have only one variable, no, pagsamahin lang natin. So, area is equal to 100x minus 2x squared. So, since na merong yung variable natin ng area is isang variable na lang, na yung y is na-substitute natin in terms of x, so we can now apply the differential. So, differentiate na natin to with respect to x. So, differentiate natin with respect to x. So, the differential of area, that is dA, over dx is equal to, so derivative ng 100x is 100, minus, so derivative ng 2x squared, that is 4x. So, since maximum yung area natin, magsi-0 na siya. Yung part ng dA over dx is equal to 0. So, this will become 0 is equal to 100 minus 4x. Lipat lang natin yung 4x dun sa left side para maging positive. 4x is equal to 100. So, therefore, the value of x is 25. No? So, may value ka na ng x. So, since you have now a value of x, we can now define the value of y. No? Balik tayo dito sa equation na to. Nandun sa relationship ng equation. So, if x is equal to 25, so substitute the value here, y is equal to 100 minus 2 times, no? Value na x is 25. So, y is equal to 100 minus 50. So, therefore, y is equal to 50. So, since na meron ka ng value ng x and y, ang hinahanap dito is the area, nitong blue side. So, punta tayo sa formula ng triangle. So, again, recall natin that yung area ng triangle is simply x times y. So, multiply natin. So, the area of a rectangle is x times y. Since we have now the value of x, that is 25 times 50. So, therefore, no, the area is equal to, so, bring down 0. 5 times 5 is 25. No? Tapos, carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2. That is 1 to 50. No? So, the area, sulit natin. Therefore, the area is 1,200. Sorry. 1,200 1,250. So, actually, it's letter B. Yeah, thank you.